Hey faves, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a simple banana oats muffin. So get your ripe bananas, add that into a bowl and then mash till it's very smooth, no lumps. Then go ahead to add all of the other white ingredients. Mix together with your whisk to properly combine. Now this is our oat flour. Add your baking soda, salt. Then mix together to properly combine and then add that into the wet mixture. Lastly, mix to properly incorporate all the ingredients together. Now get your baking mold, your cupcake tin or cupcake mold. Just line that with your cupcake liners. And then for the cocoa banana muffins, I just added cocoa powder, mix that together and just do your thing. Now I also added walnuts, chopped walnuts to some of the muffins, and I'm going to pop this into the oven to bake. Now after baking, this is a close-up of what banana oats muffin looks like, and you know your muffins are ready when the toothpick or skewer comes out clean. So a close-up. This is what it looks like. It's fluffy, it's tasty and delicious. Let me know if you'll be trying out.